Okay, I'm here at a small creek, just just a random little creek. I believe it's called Clemens Creek. I don't know, just a guess from the signs. But anyways, it's really beautiful, and I want to share a video flying down the creek, and we'll see what we come up with. This is what it'll be taking off from. Well, I'm not sure how that turned out. Um, my expectations were a little bit higher, but the shadows from the trees stopped that view of the water, and how shows the depth and the different shapes underneath the surface. But there was that one section there that was kind of neat, um, where I just came up from the looking straight down. Anyways, hope you all enjoy. I think I'm going to add a slow motion clip now in this section right here. I'm going to go right over here actually. So I'll do a slow motion um, right in there. So I'll just dunk down in there, and I will finish the video with that. So take care. See you next time.